Okay fellas, time's come. Cooper's European Lager version 1 and version 2. So we've got identical glasses. Get them poured, have a look and I'll tell you what's gone into them. This one's version 1. Bit of a hiss there. Let's give it some pour. This carbonation. Not a nucleated glass or anything like that, so just try to not get the crap in. Beautiful looking beer. Version 1. Version 2. Equally nice hiss. Let's give this one a pour. Try and get similar amounts in. Keep them as good as I can. Right, straight away. That one appears darker on camera. Let's have a look. Yep, definitely darker. Version 1, quite light. Not sure what this sunlight's going to be showing. That's the dark one. 1 and 2. Okay. Did a bit of a comparison. So the first one, which is that light looking one, brewed on 13th of the 3rd 22, so it's had a good time in the bottle. I used the kit, the 1.8 kilogram kit, the Cooper's European Lager. I brewed 21 litres. I used two of the Cooper's kit yeast. I fermented it 14 degrees Celsius. The OG is 1.044 and an FG of 1.008, so it's 4.7% ABV. Both batches had a hop tea, 25 grams of Tettnanger hop. It's version 2. It's a brewed on the 4th of the 4th, 22. Use a kit, obviously, 1.2 kilograms of liquid malt extract and 300 grams of dextrose, just to boost the ABV slightly. Mangrove Jacks, M84 yeast, 2 packs of that. Fermented at 10 degrees Celsius, an OG of 1.046 and an FG of 1.012, so there's a bit more sweetness in this one. Didn't ferment down as low because I used liquid malt extract. That's 4.5% ABV. Bottle both with 1 teaspoon of table sugar. So version 1, cheers. Ooh, tangy, sharp, refreshing. Say 4.7%, so it's a nice strength as well. I should have really brought a glass of water up, I haven't done. Version 2 doesn't look as nice, doesn't look as clean, does it? I don't think so, and it's darker obviously. So both got that hint of the noble hop, not loads, not massive, it's only 25 grams per batch. So let's give this one a go. Cheers. A little bit sweeter that one. Bit more mouthfeel. So, which one do I prefer? With liquid malts, which is that one, or table sugar, which is that one. Both highly carbonated. Pardon me. So, give them a go, fellas. That's my favourite, table sugar. Absolutely no off flavours, no cidery taste. Just clean, crisp and sharp. Nothing wrong with that one at all, but it's just my preference is version 1. Cost table sugar about 89p is it, and liquid malt extract about £7, something like that. There I had the Mango Jack's yeast, and that's just a normal Cooper's Kit yeast, two packs. And I've also in the past I've said the yeast is no good for Cooper's Kits, but that's a cracking drink. So leave you to it, put my feet up, enjoy these two, and catch you on the next one. Cheers.